there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Tomorrowland mole rats. The heart of their colony is their nesting chamber. She is the only female who breeds. All the rest, whether male or female, are workers. Their main task is to dig for food. Digging is now so difficult, they have to save their energies until conditions improve. Each downpour helps to soften the soil. And the workers can start digging again. Now, using their huge incisors, they are able to cut through the rain-soaked soil. The first tubers they find, they eat on the spot. Once they've had their fill, they carry away the tubers they find to a chamber that serves as a larder. The colony works without pause. After the rains, they may dig half a mile of new tunnels, shifting nearly 3 tons of soil, all in order to restock their larder. Finally, they have accumulated enough food to see them through the next dry season.